Welcome back. Editing a navigation menu and adding new tabs or pages is easy. From the dashboard, just hover over Appearance and click Menus from the drop-down. The first time you access the Menus area of the website, we recommend that you find the Screen Options tab in the upper right corner and click the drop-down arrow. Under the Show Advanced Menu Properties section of the drop-down, check the boxes for Link Target and CSS classes. This will enable some menu options that you may use later that are specific to your username. You won't need to follow this step again after completing it the first time. To begin editing a specific menu, select the menu you want to edit from the Select a Menu to Edit drop-down menu and click the Select button. This will pull up the desired menu so you can begin editing it. Under the Add Menu Items module, you'll see a list of pages you can check the box next to. You can toggle between different views to find the page that you would like to add to the menu. If you don't find the desired page under Most Recent, you should be able to find it on the View All tab or search for it in the Search tab. Once you've checked the boxes next to the pages you wish to add to the menu, click the Add to Menu button, and all the pages will get added to the drop-down menu to the left as boxes. You can drag and drop the menu items to different places on the menu, including into sub-menu placement by clicking and holding your cursor on a specific menu item or tab. To view advanced options for each menu item, click the down arrow on the menu item module to display the settings. You can change the navigation menu label, which is useful if you need to shorten a page name for the menu, or opt to have a page open in a new tab by checking the corresponding box. Once you've made all the desired changes to a menu, click the blue Save Menu button at the bottom of the page. In addition to pages, you may also add other types of links to the menu. The custom link from the custom links in the Add Menu Items section of the menu editor is frequently used to link to other links. A common use case would be to add a URL or hyperlink to an external website, a PDF in the media library, or just about any other type of link. Most Gradelink websites have a primary navigation as well as links in the footer and sidebar navigation modules. All menus on the site are listed under the Select a Menu to Edit drop-down. To switch to a different menu, select the desired one and click the Select button. Any edits you make to the items appearing on the menu will automatically carry over to the corresponding menu that appears on the live site. At this point, we've covered all the basics of managing the navigation menus on your site. Please join us for the next lesson.